Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
Open the tailgate. To remove the tail lamp assembly, there's a T30 Torx bolt here and a T30 Torx bolt here. Using a Torx bit and a ratchet, I'll remove them. Just pull it straight out. We're pulling it off of these two pins here. So our lower brake light bulb. Turn it counterclockwise to unlock it, pull it out. It's a 3157 clear bulb. Just slide it back into place. Find the little holes for the tabs. Turn it clockwise to lock it. Reverse light bulb. Turn it counterclockwise to unlock it. Pull it straight out. It's a 7440. Push it right back in. Find the lock tabs. Turn it clockwise to lock it. So the upper. Remove the upper turn signal light. Counterclockwise to unlock it. Pull it out. This is a 921 bulb. Take it out, put it back in. Find the opening, turn it clockwise to lock it. These two tabs, one's going to go in the lower part, one will go in the upper one. Make them lined up. Push them in. Reinstall our bolts. Tighten them up. This procedure will be identical for the other side. As they get tight, just stop.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1AAuto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.